You know what's funny? Most of people never ever start. They scroll, they plan, they overthink. But when it's time to hit record, they freeze. And deep down, it's not because they don't have idea. It's because they don't feel ready enough. They fear judgment, they fear how they look, how they sound, or worse, that no one will care. But here is the truth. Every creator you admire once stood exactly where are you standing right now. In fear, in hesitation, in self-doubt. But this course is not about learning, it's about doing. In the next 5 videos, you are going to face your fear head on. Not by watching more, but by taking small, real actions that will make you unrecognizable in just a few days. Every lesson ends with challenge because this is not a theory, it's transformation through motion. You will practice, you will record, and you will see yourself change. You are not broken for being scared, you are human. But from this moment on, fear does not lead, you do. And most important thing, you won't be alone. You have tools that keep you moving. Your camera confidence tracker to watch your progress grow. Journal prompt to untangible your thoughts. And AI coach prompt library. So even when I am not here, you will have guidance 24/7. By the end of this course, you record your first video and upload it publicly. And most important thing, you fight with your fear. And most important thing, that is free. Yes, free of cost. Link in below. Let's do this together.